Good morning, children. Actually, the first unit was taken by Mrs. Premalata. So now I am continuing the class. This is the second unit, the first lesson. Okay, I cannot climb the trees anymore. From 9th standard it is. We got many stages. We have passed many stages in our life, no? From the childhood till at the last stage, that is old age. So in between the stages, whatever the stages we have passed once, again it cannot be back to us. It is the one of the stage said by the poet, that not the poet, essayist. His name is Ruskin Bond. He has given his experience to us. When he was the youth, he was in the British Army. His grandfather was in British Army, and he was doing all the things. He got the many medals. What are the things he got because of the great deeds? He would have got many medals, everything. So even he was, when he was the childhood, he was in the old house. The old house he was. That house, their own house only. That is grandfather's house. He was living with his grandfather, granddaughter. After that, he got the granddaughter living together. After that, he disposed the house. And after retired from the military, he is also working in the military only. After his retirement, he came back to his old place. That is where he lived before 25 years. With the past memory, he came to the thing. And he has given the experience, what are the things. In that house, he saw a little girl. And little girl helped. He could not climb up anymore because he became old. So the little girl helped him to what are the treasures, that is old age treasures, the youth, what are he kept as the thing. He was hidden something in under the jackfruit tree. Jackfruit tree is there under the jackfruit tree. He kept all his hidden, that is memorable things. So the small girl helped him to recover all the things from under the jackfruit tree. This is the lesson. The simplest lesson only. Let us go for the lesson now. Take page number 28. So this is I cannot climb trees anymore. Lesson number. Then before getting into the lesson, go to the author. He was born on 19th May in 1934. He is an award-winning Indian author of British descent. He is much renowned for his role promoting children's literature in India. Mostly he is writing for the children only. And he got the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for his writings. He has written 500 short stories, essays and novels. His popular novel is The Blue Umbrella. And he was awarded the National Film Award for the Best Children's Film in 2007. So we too got some experiences, because being girls, we may not have the experience of clinging on the tree, climbing on the tree, and boys, those who are in the village side, certainly they got the experience. So this, even the Ruskin Bond also, when he was a small boy, when he was living with his grandfather, he used to climb the trees, and he was trying to pass over the fences and everything. He is giving his experience to us. So here is the story. He was recollecting the past incident. He stood on the grass wedge by the side of the road and looked over the garden wall at the old house. The old house, he was standing beside the grass and he was watching the old house. In this old house only, he was living with his grandfather, children, everybody. Okay. It had changed much. It had not changed much. The old house, built with solid blocks of granite, was not altered at all. So how the house was? It was very old house only. It was built with the granite rods. So it is not changed. The old house where he was before, the same like it is, there is no change at all. But there was a new house and there were few trees. So that is the house, not new house, new outhouse. So adjacent to the outhouse, that is outhouse is the place where the guests or some other persons come, we used to ask them to stay. That is adjacent to the house. House very next, there is an outhouse. The outhouse is new. So when he was a boy, there was only old house. That house, it is by the granite stones, and it was remaining as it is. There is no change at all, no alteration. Alteration means what? Changes. But here, there is a new outhouse. The outhouse, there were fewer trees. Trees are there. He was glad to see the jackfruit tree still stood at the side of the burning, casting its shade on the wall. So When he was a child, he saw the jackfruit tree and he used to climb on the tree only. The same tree was remaining after 25 years. He came before 25 years, after 25 years, the same tree remaining as it is. Okay? He remembered his grandmother saying, he was living with his grandfather and grandmother used to say, a blessing rests on the house where the shadow of a tree falls. So we used to pray everything. As per the customs, we used to pray everything. The trees also, they are giving rain to us. In one way, they are equal to that. So whatever the house may be, if the tree is there and the tree gives the shadow falls on the house, those persons will be very lucky enough. The shadow of the tree, where the house in which the shadow of the tree falls, with the person, that is inmates, those who are living inside the house will be lucky enough. Grandmother used to say, on seeing the shadow of the jackfruit tree, you know what is jackfruit? No? Palapadam solluvom paranga namba palamaram, that is jackfruit. It is one of the fruit. Out of 3 fruits, the mukkanigal soradala, one of the fruit it is. One of the fruits. Okay. So, in that thing, the grandmother used to say, so the present owners must also be receiving the tree's blessings. So he thought maybe this person's also got the blessings, because she said, wherever the tree shadow falls on that house, the inmates, the new owners are there. He sold the house, new owners in that house. At the spot where he stood, there had once been turnstile, and as a boy, he would swing on it. Turnstile means gate. So the children used to play with the gate. No, gate la nindu dabbi povanga varuvanga, like that. He was also, when he was a boy, he was climbing like that and he was moving with it. It's going round and round until it was quite dizzy. Now the turnstile was gone and the opening walled up. So instead of gate, what is there? They built up the compound wall. Before that there was a gate. Used to play by the gate by up and down, by moving there and there. Now the gate is removed. The place of gate, what is there? A new wall, bouncing wall. So a small girl is coming out from the house and she asked, what are you looking at? He was gazing that house. He was gazing that old house. The girl came and asked, what are you looking at? It was disembodied voice at first. Moments later, a girl stood framed between dark red hollyhocks, starting at the man. She was standing beside him. The girl was only 12 or 13. So what it was? Only what's the age of the girl? Maybe she is 12 or 13 years. She was standing with the long black hair. That means what? She got a long hair. Clear? So the boy said, the man said, I am looking at the house. Is it yours? He asked. Who asked? Ruskin asked. I am looking at the house only. Is it yours? So she replied, no, it's my father's. Why? Do you want to buy it? She said like that. Okay, it's my father's only, not mine. So do you want to buy it? And what does your father do? Next question is what? The boy, Ruskin asked, what's your father doing? He is only colonel. That is one of the stages. The military, in the army, there is a stages. Colonel, brigadier, like that, every stage, due to the seniority. Starting ordinary soldier, like the stages will be. His father was a colonel, she said. Well, he should be a brigadier by now. Then she said, the beginning he was a colonel, maybe he would be a brigadier now, I don't know, the girl said. The man burst out of laughing. So it is not funny. Even mummy says he should be a brigadier. What she said? No, not for joking, I said. My father was a brigadier only, my mother only told like that. Then again the girl posted the same question to the writer, that is Ruskin. Do you want to buy it? No, he said. Who said? The author said. Well, she said, if you don't want to buy the house, what are you looking at? Then you don't have any idea to buy. Why should you look at it? Why should you gaze at the house? Then he is telling this past history to the girl. I used to live here 25 years ago as a boy. So when he was there, he was just a small boy only. Then after 25 years passed away, he came back to his own place as a young man. And then my grandmother died and we sold the house and went away. What is a grandfather, grandmother, all together. When the grandmother was dead, he was no more. They were moving to the house. They sold the house and went away. Clear? So it's about Ruskin Bond has written the lesson. I cannot the climb trees anymore means because he has become old, he could not climb the. When he was a boy, he used to climb the trees, lean on the gate, and he was playing like a small children. What they are doing, everything he did. But now, due to his age, he could not climb up the tree. After 25 years, he just came back to his own house and want to see what are the things there, whether the house is remaining as it is or else changed. So now there is no change in the house. Only next to that, what is there? Outhouse is there. The girl, small girl from the outhouse, she came and inquired Ruskin what for he has come, what for he is watching everything. And she said, our grandfather is, sorry, not grandfather, our father. Our father, beginning he was colonel, now he may be a brigadier. Clear? So what was the old house built with? One question may be within this. So what you have to say? The old house was built with the granite rocks. Does the visitor still live in the house? Does means what? Does visitor. Here who is coming to, who is visiting the house? Ruskin. Did he still live in the house? No. Yes, passed away from the house. So, no, the visitor does not still live in the house. So, take up the answers from the question itself. So, does, what's the question there? Does the visitor still live in the house? Easily, if you understand the lesson, you can write the answers by your own. English is very easy subject. Does the visitor still, this is the verb, no? Visitor, when the he, she, it, that is he, she, it comes with the verb you have to write does. Does the visitor still live in the house? Who is the visitor here? Ruskin Bond. Is it still lives there? No. So what you have to write? No. The visitor, take up the, this is the subject. Next one, does not. This is the verb, does not live in the house. So every sentence there should be subject, verb and object. Clear? Does the visitor still live in the house? No, it does not live in the, because it's in the present form. So we have to write the answer in present only. No, the visitor does not live in the house. The first question what I asked, what was the old house built with? It is built with, the old house was built with granite stones. Clear? Shall we go to the other part? So the girl was silent. He said, no, I am not coming in the idea of to buy the house, just to see only. The girl was silent for a while, taking in this information. Then she said, and you would like to buy it back now, but you don't have the money. He did not look very prosperous. So she asked, you want to buy the house? You don't have money. You don't have money? She asked question like that. You want to buy the house or not? If you don't want to buy the house, means what's the reason? Maybe you would have not got money. She asked like that. Then what he said, Ruskin said, no, I was not thinking of buying it back. I wanted to see it again, that's all. How long have you lived in it? Then he said, no, just to see. I'm longing to see the house. How long you are living in that? The girl said, only 3 years. They bought the house recently. Okay. Would you like to come in and look more closely? The girl asked. You want to come inside and see the house? Because it was the house where he was lived long before. Would not your parents mind? He asked. Your parent won't object. Actually, parents were not there. She is only listening, living in the next outhouse only. That is the guest house like. That is the old house, what he was used there before. It was a guest house now. Okay, yeah. No, he said, no, my friends used to come to that house. My father never mind. Never mind means what? Not bothering about it. Even elderly friends like me. He said, okay, you can come. You are my friend. He said, you are the small girl. I am an elderly man. Shall I be your friend? The girl said, yes, you can also. Then the girl asked, how old are you? The Ruskin said, I am a middle-aged man. Middle-aged means what? Maybe 45 to 50. But feeling young today, and to prove, he had decided he would climb over the wall instead of going round up the gate. So when he was a small child, now he used to move with the gate only. He was standing on the edge of the gate and was moving up and down. Now instead of moving in the gate, because there is no gate, and moreover he was past the gate, so he was just jumping out of the wall. So that is like a sliding door, like he was moving like that. The girl also said, I will help you, and gave him her hand. She gave a hand. By stretching the hand, he get into the house. As they walked across the grass, he spotted a stone bench under a mango tree. There was a mango tree, under a mango tree, stone bench was there. He recollected his past, and they used to rest on that bench only. He was sitting on the bench. It was on the bench on which his grandmother used to rest when she was tired of pruning rose bushes and bougainvillea. She was cleaning the plants. That is the garden, only grass and everything is there. After cleaning, when grandmother was getting tired, she used to rest in that place only. So he remembered all those things and asked the girls, let us sit in the stone bench. I don't want to come inside. Who said? Ruskin said. Okay. She sat beside him on the bench. So now Ruskin and the small girl both entered the house. They have not gone inside. They are sitting on the bench and resting themselves. They were silent for some time. Silent means what? Not talking with each other. The man closed his eyes and remembered his older days. The music of a piano, the chiming of grandfather's clock, that is, they producing clocks, producing sound, no tick-tock, that sound. And the constant twitter, a kind of birds it is, Bulgarians. And the veranda, his grandfather cranking up the old car, that is the engine sound. So everything he remembered. That is music of the piano. He used to play the piano, so piano music and grandfather's clock sound. Then a small kind of, now we are saying parrot, no. In Australian there is different kind of man, that is Bulgarians. On the veranda and the grandfather cranking, that car is making that sound, engine, old car it is, its engine is producing sound. So I used to climb the jackfruit tree, he said opening eyes. First he was closing his eyes and recollecting all. And after that I said, the Ruskin said he used to climb on the jack tree. Then the girl asked, do you want to climb it again? My parents won't mind. Everything she said, parents never object. No, he said, no. After climbing the garden wall, let us just sit here for a few minutes and talk. I mentioned the jackfruit tree because it's my favorite place. He could not, because he's become middle-aged, no, he could not climb on the tree. He mentioned, then too he said jackfruit tree because he is very fond of the tree. Do you see the thick branches stretching out over the roof? Halfway along it, there is a small hollow in which I used to keep some of my treasures. He now only revealed the truth, what for he has come there. He was hiding some truth beneath the jackfruit tree. That's jackfruit tree. Was some treasure. Treasure means what? Valuable things. Yes, I am keeping my treasure. நம்ம தமிழில் சொல்ல போனீங்கன்னா நம்மளோட சொத்துன்னு கூட சொல்லலாம், treasure. Then the girl asked, what kind of treasures? The man, he said, oh, nothing very valuable. Marbles I would want. So they used to play, when he was a small boy, he used to play the marbles. So after getting success, the marbles were, but others defeated, no, the marbles will be his. That marbles, that golin solram paranga. And a book I was not supposed to read, and a few old coins. So what are the treasures of the author? Marbles. The book what he has not read, and the old coins he has collected. The collecting of coins also hobby. Different kinds, different countries coins we are collecting. It's a kind of hobby. But he has collected the old coins. That is grandfather before that stage that he has collected and kept. So these are the valuable treasures. So what are the valuable treasures? Marbles, the unread book, and the few old coins. It was a bit of crow, he collecting all the bright things and throw them. And there is the iron cross also. Iron cross also he was hiding there. That iron cross is not Ruskin's, his grandfather's. Because grandfather was in military. Okay, yeah, he was a colonel. He said like that. When my grandfather fought in the France war, he got it from a German soldier. That iron cross is for grandfather got in the fort. Okay, yeah. So we'll continue in another class.